I love that. I love that. So how do you come across this truck? Was it specifically this generation that you wanted, or how did that come about?
Honestly, I've always wanted an OBS Chevy. Not necessarily a single cab because I'm kind of a tall guy, but with single cab popularity, it kind of worked out for me. So I actually was just looking for a truck that was already bagged. So I didn't bag this one myself, but I've pretty much changed everything from how it was with the old owner. So I lucked out on this truck.